Good day, we are back again in one virtual classroom. In this digital classroom, we will discuss about the long reading section of CBSE Class 10 English course syllabus, wherein Annie Frank's diary, a question from that long reading book, it says, describe the importance of the diary in Annie Frank's life. How would you answer? Let's try. The most likely answer is the diary in the life of Annie Frank allows expression of Annie's innermost feelings. Under that heading, you will write these answers. The diary is very important to Annie in her life because it can express her innermost thoughts and feelings in it without getting an adverse reaction. In fact, she considers the diary as her closest friend and calls it, remember what she calls it? She calls it Kitty. Do read the book and go through these questions, then it will be much better. Further on, though Annie had many friends before the family went into hiding, she could not confide her innermost feelings to any of her friends. See, innermost feelings is very important for any human being. We are superior animals, we speak with words, and we speak or we do communicate to express our innermost feelings. This is exactly what she had to do, especially being a young girl and later on a little matured girl. Thus, the diary, which was one of the many birthday presents she received on her 13th birthday, became her confidant, in which she expressed her feelings freely. Second heading under which you will answer this question is, the diary fulfills a deeply felt need in Annie's way of living to write. She had the urge of writing. And under this, you will express or explain more. Annie's diary presents a remarkable discipline, or rather, disciplined description of the last 2 years in the life of an adolescent girl. She often mentioned her loneliness in the diary. She expressed the various needs which time and again came into our life. The diary continued many of the observations about the people in her family and the others who lived around her during their confinement in the secret annex. These diary entries also fulfilled in her a deeply felt need to take up writing or journalism as a profession. In fact, her diary brings out the fact that she was keen in observation of people and had the talent to write with depth and feeling. Under the third point or head of this answer, the diary gives comfort and support to Annie. Under this heading, you will expand the answer by writing, during the saddest parts of her life, during these 2 years, Annie passed her heart over in the diary, finding comfort and support in it. And thus she called it Kitty. Kitty was a friend, very dearest friend and trusted friend, and continued as a companion for her. There was no aspect of her life which she did not express or mention in her diary. She mentioned everything in the diary, particularly of her aspects of life. Her